Can I actually make a ton of money by investing in tiny, niche market machines? Let's find out. The world of manufacturing has traditionally been dominated by large-scale operations, but there's a growing trend that's changing the game. Tiny machines, often in the form of desktop CNCs, advanced 3D printers, and small-scale robotics, are making a significant impact on niche markets. These compact machines are capable of producing highly specialized products with precision and accuracy. One of the biggest hurdles for new manufacturers has always been the high cost of entry. Setting up a traditional manufacturing line requires significant investment in equipment, space, and personnel. But tiny machines have dramatically lowered these barriers. They are affordable, compact, and can be operated by a single person, making it possible for small businesses and even individuals to start producing niche products. These machines have also made it possible to produce goods in small batches, or even one-off custom pieces, which is a game changer for niche markets. No longer do manufacturers have to produce in massive quantities to be profitable. This shift towards on-demand production has opened up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small businesses to create and sell highly specialized products. The types of products being made with these tiny machines are incredibly diverse. From custom phone cases and jewelry to precision parts for aerospace and medical devices, the range is vast. These machines allow for rapid prototyping and production, which means that creators can quickly test and refine their designs, and get products to market faster. For example, a small business owner can use a desktop CNC to create custom parts for the automotive industry, or a solo entrepreneur can use a 3D printer to create personalized jewelry. The advantages of these tiny machines are numerous. They're often more cost-effective, allow for greater customization, and can produce products at a speed that traditional manufacturing methods can't match. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Meet an individual who's making a living by selling custom gaming accessories, produced using a small-scale 3D printing operation. This person started small, investing in a single 3D printer and selling products online. As demand grew, they were able to scale up production by adding more printers and hiring a few part-time employees. Today, they're generating significant revenue and are able to compete with much larger companies. What makes this story even more compelling is that this individual wasn't a seasoned manufacturer. They were simply someone who identified a niche market and saw an opportunity to create products that didn't exist before. With the help of tiny machines, they were able to turn their idea into a profitable business. The story of this individual is not an isolated incident. There are countless others who are achieving similar success with tiny machines. The common thread among them is their ability to identify a niche market and create products that meet the specific needs of that market. In conclusion, tiny machines are making a massive impact on niche markets, and the potential for innovation and financial success is huge. By lowering the barriers to entry and enabling on-demand production, these machines are empowering entrepreneurs and small businesses to create and sell highly specialized products. So, what do you think? Are tiny machines the key to unlocking new business opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more content on emerging business trends and technologies.